Walgreens Pharmacy Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to relevant products and services are in the description. Walgreens is one of the largest pharmacy chains in the U.S., offering prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, health and wellness products, and basic household essentials. It's designed for people looking for convenient access to medications, vaccinations, and healthcare services without needing a full doctor's visit. Key features include an extensive prescription fulfillment service, an easy-to-use mobile app for refills and tracking, and in-store clinics for minor medical needs. The company also offers a loyalty program, My Walgreens, which provides discounts and cashback rewards. Their drive-through and home delivery options add further convenience, especially for those with mobility issues. However, while Walgreens is widely accessible, pricing can be higher than competitors like Costco or Walmart, and insurance coverage varies. Customer service also differs by location, with some stores praised for efficiency, while others receive complaints about long wait times. Overall, Walgreens is a solid choice for quick and reliable pharmacy needs, especially for those who prefer a well-known brand with multiple locations. If you prioritize affordability, it's worth comparing prices before purchasing. Let me know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details.